How to create typography animation like this in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition. Change height to 112. Name it text. Go to text and type your text. Go to a line to put the text into the middle. Press S to decrease text. Create a new composition. Change height to 1080, then hit OK. Drag text comp into composition. Press R and rotate text to 90 decrease. Go to Effects and Presets and choose Motion Title. Drag and drop on text. Go to Output Height and increase it. Right-click and pre-compose the text. Make sure that you are on Move all attributes into the new composition, and I'll name it Text 1, then hit OK. Go to Effects and Presets and choose CC Cylinder. Drag and drop on text. Open Rotation. Change Rotation Z to -90. Change Rotation X to 30 decrease. Open Light. Increase light intensity. Increase light direction. Open shading and increase diffuse. Go to Rotation Y, then Alt and click Keyframe, then type time *30. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe.